Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to convert gallons to liters. 1 gallon equal to 3.785 liters. You will see the demo. I am using a variable g to store the gallon. G equal to eval. Eval function will convert the entered value into appropriate data type. Input of enter gallons. The entered value is returned as a string by the input statement, which is converted into appropriate numeric value by using this eval function. That's why I'm using the eval function here. Next, I'm converting liter equal to gallon multiplied with 3.785. Now I'm printing the result. Print liters colon comma for the variable L. Now I'm printing the converted letters from the gallons. Now I'm printing the converted liters from gallons. We will execute the program and check the result. Enter the gallons. So I'm giving 38 gallons. My liter is 143.83. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.